Hello, and welcome to the virtual public involvement meeting for Project 12040507-77, the proposed improvements at the intersection between US Highway 18151 and County Highway F in Blue Mounds, Dane County. Here is an overview of today's presentation. We will show you the project location and explain the project's purpose and need. We will then cover design alternatives, potential real estate impacts, and business coordination. We will conclude the presentation with the project schedule and provide contact information for the project team. This project will take place at the intersection of US Highway 18151 and County Highway F, near the village of Blue Mounds in Dane County, between Barneveld and Mount Horeb. The project limits will extend no more than 1,000 feet to the east and west of this intersection. The purpose of this project is to improve safety at the intersection. There have been 10 crashes recorded at this intersection in recent history, including a fatality in 2015. As a 4-lane divided highway, vehicles continuing across the highway or making left turns from the side roads must cross multiple lanes of traffic and potentially wait in the median for an opening, as shown in this slide. This situation can be dangerous and puts drivers at high risk for a crash. As a part of the planning process for this project, several different intersection improvement alternatives were considered. The construction of a roundabout or traffic signal were both dismissed as unreasonable options for this project. A roundabout or signal at this location would create the only controlled intersection along more than 80 miles of high-speed roadway between Madison and Iowa. The intent of this project is to improve safety, which can be accomplished without impeding the flow of traffic. The preliminary design for this intersection is to establish a restricted crossing U-turn, or R-cut. There are two R-cut designs under consideration, a J-turn and a median U-turn. The J-turn would allow for side road traffic to turn right in and right out at the intersection. In order to turn left onto US 18151 or continue across on County F, vehicles will use the U-turn as shown here in the graphic. The separated mainline left turn lanes will allow traffic on US 18151 to make left turns directly onto County Highway F. The second R-cut alternative is the median U-turn. The primary difference between these two designs is that the median U-turn does not have mainline left turn lanes that would allow the US 18151 traffic to make left turns onto County F. In order to turn left onto County F, drivers will continue through the U-turn, then use the right turn lane on the opposite side of the road, as shown here in this graphic. Both R-cut designs accomplish the safety improvements desired by this project. The advantage of a J-turn is the presence of the mainline left turn lanes, while the median U-turn has slightly smaller footprint and lower cost. The real estate impacts of this project will be minimal. Small areas of permanent right-of-way may be needed in order to accommodate truck traffic through the U-turns, as shown in the image to the right. Small strips of right-of-way may also be needed to accommodate the offset right turn lanes. Temporary easements may be needed throughout the project site to help mitigate construction impacts on the surrounding properties and give the construction crews adequate room to perform their work. The real estate process will begin in fall of 2022 and typically takes 2 years to complete. WSDOT's In This Together business coordination program has been around for many years. This program helps businesses during construction with tips, tools, and resources, including temporary business signage. You can find the new business coordination guide at wisconsindot.gov/together. We ask all businesses to check out this new In This Together resource and planning worksheets, and to continue to work with us as questions and comments arise. This project is currently scheduled for construction in 2025. Before that, real estate will have 2 years to complete their land acquisition process. The preliminary design plans and environmental documents are scheduled to be complete by the summer of 2022. As the project continues to develop, updated information will be added to the project website, and a second public involvement meeting may be held. Information about this project can be found on the project website. This website will continue to be updated with the most recent information as the project progresses. Please review the information and submit feedback via the comment form located below this video on the project website. Please provide all comments by January 7th, 2022. You may contact the project team with questions or concerns in several different ways, including email, phone, and traditional mail. An online comment form is posted on the project website. You can complete that fillable document and send via email to Cody or Tim, or print and mail the form to the project team. Again, please submit comments by January 7th, 2022. Thank you for taking the time to watch this presentation and participate in our public involvement process.